In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop in Adobe Bridge. Now, cropping isn't a feature of Adobe Bridge, however, there is still a crop button, and you can do this anyways using your Adobe Cloud. So what you want to do is basically select any of the images you want to crop, you want to right-click it, and you want to click on over here under Quick Actions. So you want to hover over Quick Actions, and here it says Crop Image. So whenever you click on Crop Image, it's going to open up these quick actions, and it's going to basically open this window, which is powered by Adobe Express. So to actually do this, it's going to start uploading your file first, and whenever that's done, you could go and crop it over here. So you can select how you want to crop it, like this, or you could go and of course use a freeform, so you can just crop however, for example, like this over here, and then you can either open in Adobe Express or click on the download button over here, and there we go. It's going to then download that specific file. You can then open the folder to where this is basically downloaded, and for me, it's in my downloads folder, and then you can basically just drag and drop this into the folder, and as you can see here, I do have this cropped image. Okay, so that's how easy that is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.